Good morning, children. I am Krishnaveni, science teacher of Little Flowers High School. Today I am going to explain you 8th class physics, lesson number 8, combustion, fuels and flame. Combustion, fuels and flame. In this video, I am going to explain you about the keywords of this chapter. What are the keywords and hard words of this chapter? We shall know about what are the meanings of these keywords. Okay, in previous video we have discussed already about that mind mapping of this chapter. Okay, that mind mapping gives what are the topics present in this chapter. Okay, that is a flow chart. In that flow chart, total overall topics we can represent briefly. Right. In this video, I am going to explain you about the keywords of this chapter. What are the keywords present in this chapter? Here, combustion, combustible materials, non-combustible materials, ignition temperature, inflammable material, next rapid combustion, explosion, calorific value, fuels, spontaneous combustion, acid rain and slow combustion. Okay, acid rain and slow combustion. About these keywords and hard words, we shall know the meanings. Okay. Here, what is combustion? Already we have discussed in mind mapping also. What is combustion? The process of burning of a substance in air. Okay, in the presence of oxygen, the burning of materials are called as combustion. Right? The burning process of any material in the presence of air is known as combustion. Next, combustible material. What are combustible materials? The materials which can burn when we brought the flame near to them. They can catch fire easily and they can burn. The type of materials are combustible materials. The materials which burn when we brought near a flame that can catch the fire. Those are combustible materials. Non-combustible materials. These non-combustible materials which cannot be burned when we give the flame, when we brought near the flame. Okay, that cannot be catch the fire. Right? Those are non-combustible materials. Example: rocks, water. Right? This type of materials are non-combustible materials. Next, ignition temperature. What is ignition temperature? The lowest temperature where the substance can catch the fire. Okay, the lowest temperature on which substance catch fire. Okay, the substances on which temperature they can catch the fire. That lowest temperature is known as ignition temperature. Next one, inflammable material. Inflammable. The substances which have very low ignition temperature are called as inflammable material. They can catch fire easily. With the lowest temperature, they can catch the fire easily. The type of materials are inflammable materials. Example: petrol, diesel, kerosene, and CNG or LPG. Okay, they can catch fire easily. At very lowest temperature, they can catch the fire easily. Next, rapid combustion. The combustion in which materials burns rapidly and produces heat energy and light. Okay, the material which burns rapidly, they can produce a heat and light. The type of combustion is rapid combustion. Rapid combustion. Next one, explosion. Explosion is a sudden reaction. Explosion is a sudden reaction with evolution of heat, light, sound and large amount of gases. Okay, by releasing different types of gases, large amount of gases, that sudden reaction, that explosion will be occurred. Okay, that can produce a light, heat. Okay, that can produce a light, heat and sound. Okay, and different lot of amount of gases are released. That reaction is known as explosion. Okay, that example: bomb blasts. Bomb blasts. Okay, those are sudden reactions. Okay, we cannot expect that reactions. That sudden reactions which occur in the nature. In the nature or any human activities also in explosions are taking place. Next one here, calorific value. What is calorific value? What is calorific value? The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kilogram of substance. When we burn that 1 kilogram of substance, then that gives some amount of energy in the form of heat. Okay, that energy is known as calorific value. Calorific value. Next one, fuels. What are fuels? Here fuels are the materials such as coal, gas or oil, okay, that is burned to produce heat and power. The substances which we burn that can give heat, okay, heat or power, those are fuels. Example, coal, gas, oil, wood, okay, all the materials which can give release the energy in the form of heat, those are fuels. Next, spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous, the combustion that occurs without the help of any external heat. Okay, the combustion that occurs without the help of any external heat. Okay, we are not giving any burning process or any fire to catch. Okay, we cannot give that any external heat. Then also the combustion will take place, right? The type of combustion is known as spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous, automatically that combustion will take place. Example, mountains can burn in the summer season. They can catch fire easily, right? Without any external heat. The type of reactions are combustions are spontaneous combustion. Next, acid rain. Acid rain. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen and carbon, okay, these are dissolved in rainwater. In rainwater that can be dissolved with the sulfur and nitrogen and carbon oxides. When these all oxides are combined with the rainwater, the rain becomes acid rain. The rain becomes acid rain. Next one, slow combustion. What is the meaning of slow combustion? Combustion which takes place at low temperatures. At low temperatures, that combustion will take place, okay, and that take much time, okay, much time. They take more time for that combustion. For the completion of burning process, that will take more time. The type of combustion is slow combustion. In the slow process, that material will be burnt. Okay, that is slow combustion. Okay, children, you understand about the keywords of this chapter? Okay, in next video we will see about all the topic wise explanations. Okay, thank you children.